Hey guys, so last video we showed off a custom Lego Kyber crystal that we did, where we put an RFID tag inside the Lego crystal. And this video I'm going to be showing off how we put an LED inside the official Galaxy's Edge red Kyber crystal. So when I pull this tab here, the crystal has an LED inside and it has the breathing effect. And I'll show you what it looks like with the lights off. So it took me actually quite a while to get this. I had to cut open a couple different red crystals and ended up not working out because of the size difference and where I cut it, and had to go through a couple LEDs and a bunch of other stuff. But let me show you what it looks like inside the hilt real quick. So that's what it looks like inside the hilt. Has a breathing effect. And also I'll put on the scrap metal so you guys can see what it looks like with the scrap metal. So this is what the breathing effect looks like inside the hilt with the scrap metal on, which I think looks pretty cool. It kind of bleeds through here a little bit. So yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching, and in the next video I'll show you guys how we did a custom teal and custom orange crystal using resin.